Finding the courage to change, learning to make amends. Recently, I had what I thought was a playful text exchange with a family member. She had helped me with a task. I wanted to let her know that the next time she did that task, that I'd like her to do some things differently. Suddenly, I could tell that she was upset. The next day, things were very chilly between us. I was confused by her reaction, but I've learned to look at my own behavior. I talked the situation over with another person. They suggested that I simply ask my family member what was wrong. I don't know how to do that, I blurted. My friend said, well, it will get easier with practice. Here's the formula my friend taught me. I can tell that you're upset with me, but I don't know why. I'd like to try and clear the air between us. Wow, I discovered that I had failed to consider her situation. So she had felt attacked and unappreciated. My text messages, rather than feeling playful, had felt aggressive and angry to her. I sat quietly and listened carefully. I could see that part of the problem was mine, my reaction to her initial actions, and then my correction. But part of the problem was also hers. Her reaction to my approach was out of my control entirely. So then I said those magic words, I'm sorry. I told her that I had not intended to hurt her. We had a painful but positive discussion about our relationship. We parted on better terms. It was a victory for me. I'm learning to face my mistakes and try to make amends.